Carla's Kitchen CC, best cooking around here. Welcome to Carla's Kitchen CC YouTube channel. Hey, Carla the big bad chef. Always like, comment and subscribe. Yeah man, comment to the thing. Carla's Kitchen CC, best cooking around here. She's creative, unique, skillful, and she's different. Always chefing it up in her kitchen. Don't forget Carla's Kitchen CC. Clean and everything neat and delicious in a Carla's Kitchen. Carla's Kitchen, remember to subscribe, like, comment and share. Yeah man, click the red subscribe button and turn on the post notification bell so you'll be notified whenever she upload a new video. And support the thing, share. Carla's Kitchen CC, yeah. You hear that? What me say? Run go subscribe to Carla's Kitchen CC. Yeah.
Welcome back guys, welcome back to my channel. Yes guys, I hope everyone is doing okay. Today guys, we are going to make Callaloo juice. I am going to show you how to make this refreshing Callaloo juice. Yes guys, I have a bundle of Callaloo here that I got from my local grocery store. Here's the Callaloo. So we're going to be making some refreshing Callaloo juice. Alright? Okay, so now I am going to strip the Callaloo and then I am going to wash the Callaloo. So this is how you strip the Callaloo. Like this. So I'm adding salt here. I'm washing the Callaloo with some salt. The reason why I'm using a little bit of salt to wash my Callaloo, should in case any little insect or so is on the Callaloo, that will help to kill it and clean it properly. So guys, I finished cleaning the Callaloo. So this is my little mini blender that I'm going to be using. Alright, so first thing, I'm going to open up my little blender. And here I have lemon and lime and ginger. And I will be using that in my Callaloo juice as well. So I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to cut the Callaloo like this. And I'm going to dump it in the blender. You don't want to cut it too big because you don't want to damage your blender. My ginger. So I'm going to do it in small portions. Alright? So I'm just going to scrape the ginger like this. Okay. I already washed the ginger. gonna go ahead. So I'm gonna cut it like this and dump it in the blender. So I'm going to use half of the lime because I'm using lemon as well. So I'm going to use half of the lime and half of the lemon. Alright, so this is how I do it. Just cut it and put it in the blender. Alright, so this is the lemon. And Callaloo juice is very good, guys. Callaloo has tons of vitamins, which helps keep your hair and skin healthy. Alright, so now I'm going to add some water here. And this is about a cup of water I'm adding. Alright, so I'm going to turn on the blender now. It's on. Okay, so this is the first blend. Alright. Guys, this smells so good. It smells like plum juice. Like when you're making June plum, that Jamaican plum juice. It smells real good. So this is my little strainer. I'm using to strain it. So I'm going to go ahead now with the second blend. I just can't get over how good this Callaloo is smelling. Very, very refreshing. Okay, I am going to sweeten my Callaloo juice, but I will be using honey. You can use sugar if you like, or you can just drink it like that, but I prefer to use honey. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use 3 tablespoons of honey. So I'm going to taste a little bit of this refreshing Callaloo juice for you guys. So here is the refreshing Callaloo juice. I'm going to take going to taste it for you. Let me get my straw. Oh my god, it smells so good. It smells so good. It reminds me of June plum. Very, 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 very refreshing, guys. The ginger and the lime and the lemon gives it a very nice taste. Try out this Callaloo juice. It is very good for now. The summer, it's very hot. So this will cool you down on a very hot summer day. And it has a lot of great benefits. Callaloo is good for your hair. Callaloo is good for your skin. Juice up your green. Anything is green is good for your body. Alright? It will help you to move your bowel freely. So make some Callaloo juice. Alright, guys? Wonderful.
Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, gracias, 감사합니다, 아리가또, merci, thank
Here
you,
is
thank
my
you,
lovely,
thank you,
refreshing,
oh,
delicious
thank
Callaloo
you,
juice, guys.
gracias,
Callaloo has
감사합니다,
so
아리가또,
many
merci,
great benefits
gracias,
inside of it, guys.
thank
It is
you,
good
thank
for your
you,
skin.
oh,
It is good
thank
for
you
your
all for your
hair.
kindness, can't wait to give you back.
Here is
You
the
said a whole lot
refreshing
of things.
Callaloo
With
juice.
love, with love,
Guys,
with love.
try out this Callaloo juice. Callaloo has a lot of great benefits. Callaloo has significant amount of vitamin C, guys, which helps to maintain the collagen in skin and hair, and iron, which helps to prevent hair loss. So, juice up your Callaloo juice and drink. Steam up your Callaloo and eat. Callaloo is good, and it will also help you to move your bowel freely. So drink up your Callaloo juice. Try this out. Thank you guys so much for your support. To all my new subscribers, thank you guys for joining my family. I welcome you all, and to all my supporters, the silent supporters, everyone who share, everyone who thumbs up the video, everyone who comments, guys, I thank you so much for your support. Be good. Put God in everything that you're doing. Put Him first, guys. Remember to pray. Take care of yourselves. Be kind to yourselves so you know how to show kindness to others. Love you guys. Thanks once more. Take care. See you in another video. Guys, I'm just finishing up. I took another glass. It is so good, so I had to come back. Try. Try this color. Alright? Very, very great for your hair, your skin. So juice, steam, and have fun. Take care of yourself, guys. Take care of yourself. Thank you so much. Bye. Bye, guys. Mwah.